one of the major root causes of some very serious sins in life. Allah Azza wa Jal says, وَلَا تَتَمَنَّوْا مَا فَضَّلَ اللَّهُ بِهِ بَعْضَكُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ. Don't wish don't wish for the kinds of favor and the kinds of preference Allah has given some people over other people. So what happens to you and I is we see somebody that has more money than we do. They have better appearance than we do. They have a nicer car than we do. They have a better maybe married life than we do. Maybe they have, better, sometimes I've even heard, even among siblings, my sister has better complexion than I do. She's more beautiful than I am. Jealousy can take many forms. You could just envy somebody for what they have and become obsessed with why you don't have it. And it consumes you. And it could be the smallest thing, it could be the biggest thing. It could be things like money and material things, it could be immaterial things, it could be even the love of a father or the love of a mother. Why does dad love this one so much? I never get that kind of attention. She never blames him, she always blames me. She gets mad at me, but she's always nice to her. There could be, this kind of thing happens among siblings, and parents sometimes don't help because they keep reminding one of them, he's smarter, why can't you be more like him? And create that jealousy even more inside a family. Allah Azza wa Jalla started here by saying, don't wish for what other people have been given by Allah Himself. There are preferences. In fact, there are people better looking than you and me. There are people smarter than us. There are people that are more knowledgeable. There are people that make more money. There are people in your family that get more appreciation than you do. It's a fact. That's just a fact. And sometimes it's clearly unfair. But in some of those things, it's simply Allah has opened a door of rizq for them that He didn't open for you. And He opened other doors for you. But what happens for you is, you want the same things that somebody else has. Allah did not make you the same as anyone else. And Allah did not open the doors of provision, of rizq, for you that He opened for other people. Each of us has a unique set of opportunities. And we're going to have to work hard to earn Allah's favor from within whatever we've been given, not comparing ourselves to anybody else. This is a root cause for many major sins. As a matter of fact, the first grievous rebellion against Allah that we know of in recorded history is the rebellion of Iblis, which is rooted in jealousy. That started, why does he get the attention? Wait, he's just made of clay. That's where that started. The first crime that ever took place on the earth, when humanity came on this earth, is the killing of Habil by his brother Qabil. That's also a matter of jealousy. This jealousy can be so heinous and so ugly